Well, 'tis the season of tools, and did I get a deal? So I got this entire kit here for $100. So as I'm sure a lot of you guys are aware, during the holidays, especially Black Friday, things go on sale, and you can usually get some good deals. So the MSRP on this is like $499. Let's be honest, this thing usually sells around like $350. And then of course I got this as well for a great deal, but that another time. But this is the newest Stubby Impact 3/8. You know, so this thing is tiny, but it's super powerful. It's 550 foot-pounds of torque. You know, it basically is just, it is really freaking small and super powerful. You know, and I go ahead and put this on a battery over here, which this battery did not come with it. You know what I mean? That's your whole footprint. You know, for comparison, there's an iPhone 16 Plus, and you can see the size difference. There isn't a lot of difference. You know, it's got lights on it. It obviously, you know, got a test to make sure it works. And yeah, so basically, how did I get this thing for $100? It was a Black Friday deal, and it was $150 plus tax for basically what you see here and the charger. This battery is the battery it came with. And I ordered it on Home Depot. You can see it right here. Super simple process, you know, no hacks, nothing like that. Basically just ordered it, said ship to my house because it wasn't in the store, and figured, you know, in a couple weeks or days or whatever, I'm gonna get it, no big deal. So the first sign of issue is that the tracker wasn't updating, and it had now been about 2 or 3 days, and this thing was already supposed to be delivered. So I wasn't sure what was going on. I reached out to Home Depot support, and they basically said, what we're gonna do is we're going to refund you the money, and then you can just go ahead and, you know, rebuy this kit. Which I'm like, yeah, that's great, except for a couple problems. One, it's not the price it was. I'm like, okay, no problem. We can honor the price that you got. Second problem, it's completely out of stock everywhere, being that it was a really, really good deal, and this is one of the most popular Milwaukee releases this year. So the next step was, it was on track shipping, and they were not on track. Basically, they went and said, you know, we're gonna wait 2 days for them to get back to us and tell us if there's, you know, updates on where the package is. So what's funny is, during this time while I'm waiting for this thing to be delivered, I had actually purchased this through a company called Fasteners Inc. Out of California, and I got it for, I think it was $210 all in, which was again a really good price considering this thing is usually $400. I canceled that order. I don't like doing that to small businesses, but it was a considerable of savings, and I could buy something else, which, hey, we all know we want to buy more tools. But after a few days of waiting for on track, there was no progress. I reached back out to Chad again, and I was like, hey, I have an idea. Could we potentially do a refund and a purchase of this one here, which is now $300, but give it to me for the price that I had originally paid, which is $150. They basically came back and said, we really can't do that. It's a different model number. So the best we could do is we could give you a $150 gift card, give you the $150 back plus tax, of course, and then you would just go ahead and buy that. I was like, okay, you know what? That is sufficient for me. So I'll wait for the gift card. And of course, nothing goes according to plan. I got the email saying that there was a gift card. Congratulations, you've been given a $50 gift card from Home Depot. And I was like, that's not $150. So back into chat again. Mind you, this is probably the 7th time I've spoke to chat. Anyways, I go through the process again, and I'm like, you know, here's my order number. I really wish there was a way for you guys to just recall everything so I don't have to keep repeating it, but here's the really high level of it. End of the day, I still don't have my item. I've been said I could have a $50 gift card, $150 gift card, but you gave me a $50. And they were like, oh yeah, that's because the representative said you could have a $150 gift card, but management refused it. I was like, oh, that's great. But now what do I do about the item? And this is where it gets really interesting. She says, oh, what you can do is we're gonna refund you, and you're gonna purchase the one that you had flagged as an alternative for the $150, and you're gonna get it for the new, basically the $150 price. It's usually $300. I was like, oh, that's awesome, but can I also use the $50 gift card that you guys gave me as like an inconvenience? And she's like, yeah, give me the gift card number. So after about a week and a half of going back and forth with support on phone and chat, I got this whole kit for $100, which is crazy. Like the battery itself is $100. So I'm super excited. I, of course, am gonna use the hell out of this thing working on the vehicles. And then, yeah, I picked up the extended reach ratchet. I have the 3/8, you know, basically the normal neck. And I've talked to a bunch of mechanic friends, and they're like, you know what, this one's actually gonna be better because this part here is super bulky, and as a result, It doesn't fit into tight situations. Snap-on has an even longer version, so I'm hoping Milwaukee, maybe Brink comes out with that. I did not intend to have a garage full of red tools, but here we are. To think that it started with a impact driver. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is not clickbait. I would say that, you may not be able to replicate this fully, but what I would say, and the key takeaway from this video, other than I got a crazy deal on this, is that when you're dealing with stores, especially larger stores, do not let up. So if you have an item that's not been shipped or it's lost or whatever, they are in the business of making money, but they're also in the business of keeping customers happy and doing what's right. This thing was shipped to me and I never got it. I did nothing wrong. I paid it, ordered all the stuff. It got lost in shipping. It happens with Amazon all the time. It's a matter of what the company will do. And sometimes the first couple reps that you talk to, they'll do absolutely nothing. And if you go up on the Reddit forums, especially with this tool, because believe it or not, a lot of these got lost. And I don't know if they were drop shipped from Milwaukee or maybe, Home Depot was just shipping too many of them. I don't know. But at the end of the day, a lot of people did end up not getting their item. And some people are saying they got a $300 gift card, which I don't know if I believe that, but maybe. Others are saying they got absolutely nothing and just, wait, get it when it comes back on sale, like whatever those options are. But yeah, just, do not let up when you're trying to deal with customer service because they are in the business of helping you. You just have to kind of advocate for yourself. So anyways, a little deviation from the normal car stuff, although this is, I guess, kind of tangentially car related. As always, I appreciate you guys checking out these videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.